how to share video in Google Drive. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to make sure that we open our browser right here. And then once you're now on your browser, make sure that you're also logged in into your account. And then once you're now in this part, just click the My Drive so that you will be redirected into this part. Once you are now here, the next thing that we need to do is to just right click on this part. And then once you right click on it, you will now be able to upload a video. So just click file upload right there. And then just look for the video that you want to share. So let's say for example that we want to share this video right here. So just double click on that and then wait for it to be uploaded. And then once it is uploaded, as you can see, we have now uploaded the video right there. The next thing that we need to do is to just go here and then click the share icon. So just go there. And then once you do that, in this part under the general access, if you want it to be restricted and only be accessed by people that you want to add, then just put their email right here. So let's say, for example, that we want to only add this person. So just click that. And then make sure that you only turn it as viewer and then click send. And then if you want to share it to anyone, so if you want to share your video to anyone and you want everyone to have access on your video, all you have to do is to just click the restricted and then click anyone with link. And then if you want to make them as a viewer, you can do that. But if you also want them to edit the file of your video, you can set them as your editor. And then once you do that, you just click done right there. And then just copy the link. So just click once again the share icon and then click copy link. And then you can now send it to everyone. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to share video in Google Drive.